Hello, boys and girls. Today is day 7 of Art of the Day. But I will tell you, today I'm not going to talk about your artwork. But don't worry, I've got plenty of your artwork to show you, and I can do that later on. Today I want to talk about the plants in my backyard because the assignment this week was about botany, or botanists. Botanists are people who work and study plants. And I love plants. Now, I'm not a botanist, and I don't know all the scientific terms, but I'm going to show you some of the plants and flowers in my backyard. We start over here. You've got some tropical plants, like this is a Boston fern. This one is, I can't think of the name. This is a tropical plant. I mean, you have to keep it inside until it gets warm and stuff. This is hibiscus, which usually has big flowers, and I've talked to the students before about hibiscus. Another jungle plant. This is a sago palm, which is very popular in San Antonio. They get really large. And up there you have some begonias, a pink begonia. And you also have some monkey grass, and some other interesting plants. You'll notice some plants are named after animals or insects. This is a spider plant because it looks kind of like a spider, and it sends out these little spiders to find new places to grow. Now, boys and girls, this is called a foxtail, and would want you to know, why do you think it's a foxtail? Well, it's pretty easy to tell. Its leaves grow like a fox. This is Impatient, beautiful flowers. This is a beautiful pink flower. And up here some more begonias, but you notice they're white. And then you look at these flowers. These actually are named after animals too. They're called a shrimp plant. And boys and girls, when I first planted this plant, I planted it over there and it died, but now it's over here and it's all over the top part of my backyard. And then of course we move along. This is what they call a succulent. This plant is kind of like a cactus. It doesn't need a lot of water. And it will put out a purple and yellow flower. Very pretty. And here again, we've got another spider plant. And then, of course, another begonia. And then we've got these beautiful yellow and purple pansies. Very nice plant. Puts out nice flowers. And this plant it's a creeper. They call it because it creeps, but it puts out a pink flower. Very nice. This is the Plum bago. Right now, you probably say, Mr. Emmett, this looks like a big gigantic bush, but later on it'll put out a beautiful blue flower. And then of course here's some more impatiens. These come in different colors. This one is orange, or a red orange, very beautiful. Now we're not going to go upstairs. Maybe we'll do that next time or another time. This is a vine or an ivy that will grow and cover everything. It'll cover the ground and cover the side of the stairs. This is what they call a sage, or a purple sage. This is native to Texas. It grows wild. If you go down to Del Rio, you'll see these growing all over the place. And when they have a rainstorm, a lot of times it will put out a beautiful purple flower. Right now we don't have any flowers on it, but we're hoping. And then, of course, this right here has a nickname. It's called the mother-in-law tongue. I don't know why they call it the mother-in-law tongue, but that's a nickname they give for it. And then all of this is a jasmine vine, and it's just about to bloom, and you can see all the beautiful white flowers. And the thing that you can't see, or you can't smell, because we know flowers smell, this smells magnificent. Oh, it's just unbelievable. And then this is called a peace lily, and it puts out this beautiful white flower. We've just got one flower. We've got some flowers that are going to turn white, but they haven't turned white yet. And then this is the geranium, which is a flower that you can grow around here, and you can buy it, and they come out in different colors. Very nice. And then the last and most popular flower of all, for most of us, is the rose. And this rose bush is kind of wild. I just stuck it in the ground, and I said, okay, if you don't grow, I'd water it a little bit, but it has been here for over 10, 15 years, and it just puts out these beautiful pink flowers. And if you look right above you, that is a fig tree. That's my neighbor's fig tree, but it grows over here, and my neighbor's very nice, and he always lets me eat the figs when they come out. They're not here yet, and boy, the figs are delicious. They're great. So, boys and girls, you've got a little glimpse of my backyard and the plants. And remember, this week's assignment was to create a flower or any kind of plant you want, and have fun with it. I had several students cut out leaves and pick up leaves off the ground, and they made a picture. They laid them on the flat piece of paper and took a photograph of them. You can do that too, but enjoy yourself and be creative. See you tomorrow. Bye.